Hi, my name's Dan Peters. Hi, my name's Dan Peters, and welcome to my dirty job. Got it, Jen? Dan's Bob. You guys see me? Huh? Oh, it's in manual mode. Hold on. See me now? Hey guys, welcome to Dan Peters Construction. Boy, we are just starting out this new year with a bang. I mean, a loud bang, a continuous bang. Here, let me show you. Put your headphones on. So I'm sure you're probably asking, Dan, what the heck are you doing? Well, you know, I'm a DIYer. I love doing things myself. I love learning about things. So I went from being a real estate broker to a sewer contractor. That was awesome! Yeah, boy! Welcome to the show! I call this the perks of home ownership. It was mandated by the local sewer authority that we had to upgrade. We had to upgrade our sewer lines. I recruited my friend Tyler to help dig the trench. We're almost to the front of the foundation. Yeah, boy! So we're finishing up. Once we get the top off, we gotta dig down about a foot and angle it down. Yeah! Tyler, you want to be in the vlog? No. He is the hardest working guy. I know. I would have never gotten this finished in this time if it wasn't for this good man. Alright, so Greg's guys are here. They're digging the trench here. It's going from the house to about right there, connecting with the new line. So now Trevor's trying to punch through underneath the footer here to open it all up. You can hear him with that drill trying to punch through that shale there. Almost, come on. Now look, he's got to put it in. Yeah!
Oh, Daniel! You're gonna wanna come with the vlog. Hollidaysburg homeowner Dan Peters wraps up replacement of the sewer line in his Hart Street home Thursday afternoon. Front page. Oh, you did it now. OMG. Oh, my heart.
Okay, boys and girls, let me give you a little lesson. Look, this pipe right here is connected to the potty. Every time you go pee-pee or poo-poo,
you just asked,
and you flush the toilet, it runs down the pipe. What we did this past week was replace the old sewer lines. These were made of a terracotta, so we had to replace it with plastic. Are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay, so the poop chute runs down into the floor. Okay? Apparently they don't give a poop how sewer lines work. But I'm gonna give credit where credit is due, and I owe all this to my brother Jimmy Peters. He hooked me up with the contractor, he hooked me up with Tyler. Jimmy's my go-to, man. He's been through this stuff with all his numerous homes and flips and all that. So it's good to have you, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Thank you to Greg, Tyler, Trevor. You guys were awesome, man. I appreciate you. We got it done, baby. It runs the whole way out of the house. And the crazy thing is, it's all gravity fed. It's all on an angle, and it's fed by gravity. Yeah, boy, good times! Woo!